It's not that new parts are unaffordable. It's that repairing them is simply more cost-effective. Here, whether it's an engine or something as small as a bolt, craftsmen can use welding and lathes to restore them to like new condition. Take this truck's securing bolt, for example. After years of use, the threading has deteriorated badly. For many of us, this might seem beyond repair. However, in Pakistan, where parts are hard to find and the repair industry is highly competitive, repairing what you can is the way to go. After carefully inspecting the bolt, the craftsman determined that the damaged threads couldn't be fixed by overlay welding. So instead, he prepared a discarded steel cylinder to use for a splicing repair. To ensure precise dimensions, after the repair, the craftsman first measured the inner diameter and dimensions of the thread. He then secured it onto the lathe's 3-jaw chuck. Since a 3-jaw chuck was used, alignment was automatically ensured. Next, he moved the lathe carriage and used a cutting tool to remove the damaged threads. During this process, to maintain perfect coaxiality for the splice, the craftsman left a small step at the original dimensions to aid in later alignment. This step prepares the bolt for the splice. Once one end of the bolt is prepared, he secures the prepared steel cylinder onto the lathe's 3-jaw chuck. It's ready for further machining. During the machining process, the craftsman first refines the cylinder's outer surface. Then, he smooths out the end face. After leveling the cylinder's end face, he uses a twist drill to create a step inside the cylinder's end. This step creates a concave shape that aligns perfectly with the bolt. It ensures coaxiality and adds stability to the connection. After the step is completed, the craftsman inserts the bolt's end into the corresponding hole. Using a hammer, he taps it until it reaches the correct position. Once the bolt is securely in place, the joint forms a flawless welding groove. The craftsman expertly performs the welding. During the welding process, to ensure the bolt's strength and hardness, he uses high-quality E506 welding rods. The welding is done layer by layer, and after each layer, he carefully removes the slag. To prevent impurities, they use tools to thoroughly chip away the slag on the surface. To prevent slag inclusion,